I tried the keto diet for 30 days and here what happened is the high fat, low carb diet all its crack up to be. Learn more about my including what I ate, my challenge, my success, plus my overall result, weight loss and the takeaway from 1 month on the keto diet. As a rule, I stay away from the extreme diet or eating regimes. Paleo. However, the simplicity of the ketogenic diet appeals to me, and seeing as I had a wedding to attend and a bridesman dress to wear, I needed something effective to help me shed some weight and fast. Find out what happened when I decided to sound carbs for 30 days including how I did it, my success, my challenge, my result and my lifelong takeaway. How I did to keto diet. 4 things that really happened me. Get started away. Focusing on carbs only. Having a friends for accountability. I started the diet about 1 month before the wedding with a goal of losing 10 pounds. Since a low calories diet can produce up to a 2 pounds weight loss per week, 10 pounds over 4 weeks don't feel extreme. If the keto diet was as great as had been told, I thought 10 pounds would be easy. Before I started, I spent several weeks researching the diet, following keto focus Instagram account for the inspiration and the create a plan. See our healthy versions of the keto meals plan to help you make a plan. This last part I would soon learn was the most important thing for my journey. I used an online keto calculator to set a goal for calories, carbs and fat. I mostly followed the suggestions with the exception of fat. The calculator suggested over 200 grams of fat each day. That's thought to hit without loading ghee into my coffee. Swigging some coconut oil before lunch, can it be done? Absolutely, I just could not get there. For me, the focus was on reducing carbs. I let the other picks just fall into place. I also asked a friend to join me as an accountability partner. She had tried to keto diet before with good success. So having a guide of my trade question was a big help. It was also nice to have someone to message at 10 p.m. when I really want to cookies, so she could not commiserate with me. We agreed to cookies would be delicious and then ate the cheese stick. My biggest challenge: eating only 20 grams of carbs a day is hard. The keto diet is a high fat and the low carbs diet. I would actually describe it as the extremely low carbs. You are allowed to eat just 20 grams in a day. Some people on keto follow a net carbs plan and you are really allowed to eat more carbs in a day. For my 30-day keto and for the sake of the simplicity, I stuck with total carbs. As a rule, I admit of 20 grams each day, 2 at breakfast, 5 at lunch, 3 of snack and 10 of dinner. I found that I emit 20. I don't lunch under the 30. That was successful enough for me.